Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do the this or that tag. I want to really just reiterate that a lot of my decisions are just going to be split decisions on this one, and I'm kind of excited to do it because it's totally different than something I've done before, and I really just want to pick my initial decision and go with it. So I'm not looking at the questions before. I did watch like 2 people's tags, but that was like a month ago. So I'm finally able to record this, and it's way too hot to go for a walk outside. I do have a CrossFit class later today, so there is that. But because it's too hot to go for a walk, I have been recording today. So I'm sorry I haven't had a lot of videos in the past, but I've really been enjoying this month and enjoying being outside and just kind of refinding myself and rediscovering who I am and what I'm interested in and what I want to do with my life, because I feel like I'm at like a crossroads right now. I don't know. Anyways, we're not talking about life right now. We're talking about this or that. Duh. Okay, so I do have the questions on my phone here. So I did get this from Too Much Tash is how you say her name, because it's Natasha. And I did message her and let her know that I wanted to do this tag, and she said, oh yeah, go right ahead. So I am going to link her tag video down below, since she was the first one that I saw do this. I don't know if she made it up or not. I don't think she did. I'm looking right now. The original video, it looks like, was from Rachel Payne, so I will link her original video down below as well. And not Rachel, Jessica, sorry. Jessica Payne was the original creator of this video and who tagged Natasha, so I am going to do it, but I'm going to link her because she was the video that I saw. So I'm going to be looking down, like I said, because I'm going to be looking at my phone, but here we go. So this or that questions, are you ready? So blush or bronzer? For sure, for me, bronzer. I will go without blush, I won't go without bronzer. Lip gloss or lipstick? 100% lip gloss. Lip gloss has been my ride or die lip product forever. Ever since I can remember being little and going and get those little like Smuckers roll-on lip glosses. Those were the best. Eyeliner or mascara? Obviously you guys know I don't wear eyeliner very often, so definitely mascara. Foundation or concealer? Once again, you guys know I don't really wear concealer, so foundation for sure. Neutral or color eyeshadows? 100% neutral for me. I only do a pop of color every once in a while. I'm a neutral fan all the way. Pressed or loose eyeshadows? Obviously pressed. Is that even like an option? Pressed. Brushes or sponges? 100% brushes. Now if we're talking about foundation, sponges for liquid foundation, but if I had to choose just one to have in my collection, one to have in my makeup collection, for sure I would choose brushes. Now going on to nails. I'm not a big nail person, so these are going to just kind of be whatever they are. OPI or China glaze? I don't own any China glaze, so I guess I'll say OPI. Long or short? Short, I guess. I have pretty short nails right now. I have to keep them short because of my job, and I don't really like long nails. Acrylic or natural? Obviously natural. I'm not an acrylic fan. Brights or darks? If I had to choose, I think I would go with the darks. Well, obviously I have to choose. Hello. Flower or no flower? I don't really know what that means, but I guess no flower, so like maybe like a design or no design, so I would say no design. Let me get a drink of my homemade iced tea, which curiously has a flower on it. What can I say? I love iced tea. Okay, so these are the body questions. Perfume or body splash? This one's really hard because I wear body splash more often than perfume, but I enjoy wearing perfume more, so I will say perfume. Lotion or body butter? I would say lotion. Body butter can be a little bit too thick on my skin sometimes. Body wash or soap? For sure, body wash. My husband is a bar soap fan, but I am body wash all the way. Lush or other bath company? Personally, I haven't tried very many things from Lush, so I will say another bath company, and I won't even say Bath & Body Works. They're not my favorite. I like Dove, I like Suave. I like the cheaper stuff because it works just the same. Now these are fashion questions. These you probably don't know much about me because these are more fashion related items. I'm not a very stylish, fashionable person. I just wear what's comfortable most of the time, so these are gonna be interesting. Jeans or sweatpants? Both, but if I'm talking about one that I wear the most, definitely sweatpants. Long sleeve or short? 100% long sleeve. 3/4 length sleeves are my absolute favorite, but I would much rather wear a long sleeve than a short sleeve, as I'm wearing a tank top right now, but like I said, I'm going to the gym later. Dresses or skirts? Neither, ever. I hate wearing dresses and skirts, but if I had to choose, dresses for sure. Skirts are super annoying. Stripes or plaid? 100% plaid. I am a plaid fan. I have a bunch of my husband calls them my lumberjack shirts because they're just like the pullover button-up shirts. I love those. Flip-flops or sandals? Flip-flops. What? That's not even a question. Scarves or hats? I would say scarves for me. I tend to get very cold in this area and not so cold on my head, so scarves. Studs or dangly earrings? I do have earring holes. I never really ever wear earrings. When I do, they're typically dangly earrings because I'm trying to fashion up. So I would say dangly earrings, I guess, like super simple ones. Necklaces or bracelets? Obviously you guys know that I always wear my necklaces, and the only bracelet I wear now is my Fitbit. It's not really a bracelet, but I don't really wear bracelets. They're very uncomfortable on my arms, so definitely a necklace. And then heels or flats? Really? Do you know me at all? Flats, 100%. No heels. I ruptured my Achilles tendon in 2016, so heels are not my friend ever again or anymore. I used to love heels, not anymore. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Ew, neither. No boots ever. I don't wear boots, except for the winter time, and they're like off-brand UGG boots, so no boots. Definitely not cowboy boots. Jacket or hoodie? Hoodie? Hello, I live in Michigan. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe? I can never pronounce that correctly, but when I was younger I used to purchase from both. But what I have more in my closet now, I would say, is Forever 21 still. Abercrombie or Hollister? I used to purchase from both of these brands all the time. Literally every time I went shopping I would purchase from both, but I would say that I have more Hollister than I have Abercrombie. Saks Fifth or Nordstrom? I would say Nordstrom just because I have purchased from there and I have never purchased from Saks Fifth Avenue. So now we're going on to hair. Curly or straight? How many times have you guys seen me with curly hair? I curled it yesterday, hence the bun. I can't handle curly hair. Straight for sure. Bun or ponytail? Definitely I would say ponytail. It's just not in a ponytail today because, like I said, I curled it and it looks like a hot freaking mess. So ponytail. Bobby pins or butterfly clips? Bobby pins, 100%. Hairspray or gel? Neither, ever. Neither. Hairspray, I guess? I don't know. Long or short? Obviously long for me. I cut my hair to donate it to children with hair loss. I can link that video down below if you guys are interested, but definitely long hair for me. Light or dark? Dark, because my hair is dark and I have natural hair. I don't color my hair at all. It falls out every time I did when I was younger, so I don't color my hair anymore. It's really bad for your hair too, so I would say dark. Side sweep bangs or full bangs? When I did have bangs when I was younger, I did a side sweep bang, so I would say that. Up or down? I would say I am like really back and forth on this one because when I'm at work I always wear it up, when I'm home I always wear it down. So I would say both are very comfortable, but as far as like headaches go, I would say down because I get headaches easily. Alright, now these are some random questions at the end. Rain or shine? For sure rain. Hello. Love the rain. Summer or winter? Summer, I guess, because winter is really depressing and it's scary to drive in Michigan weather in the snow, so summer. Fall or spring? Easy, easy, easy this one. Fall. I love the fall. I got engaged in the fall. The fall is the best season. Chocolate or vanilla? I would say vanilla. I used to be a huge chocolate fan, but ever since I got older, I've been liking more vanilla flavors, so I would say vanilla. East Coast or West Coast? This one's obvious. Hello, West Coast, California, beautiful weather, sunshine all the time. Is that an option? I do live on the East Coast side. I live in Michigan, so if I'm talking about like Michigan only, I would still say the West Coast, but as USA as a whole, I would still say the West Coast because California is beautiful. It is very populated, but California and the West Coast was beautiful when we took our trip out there. So, all right. That was it. That was the final question of that one. I actually really enjoyed doing this. Like I said, I didn't look at the questions beforehand because I just wanted to make a split decision and figure it out. So I really did enjoy doing this. I will tag a few people down below that I would love to see do this tag and yeah, go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know me a little bit more and seeing what I would choose over the other. And I hope you all have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.